Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to use a mode in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Let's see the mode that I upload. Download the modes in Minecraft in Play Store. So it's free. So I download the mode and Fool. April Fool. Whoa, what's this? So, oops, sorry. So, whoa, where I am. Sorry for this. Let's get the child and make some new world. And that world. And let's see. Oops. Okay. So, some villager. So we play some villager and we hit it. Oops. He hit. So, whoa. That's so very nice. A villager become zombie pigman. So let's see his face when he become. So let's see his face. Okay, let's see this face. So we can see his face. Boom. So the birds become. Whoa. Oh, the see the face hint. But no, what? Yuck. So very yuck. So we'll get the cow. Oops. So let's try chicken. Let's see if the chicken works. Chicken. Let's try the chicken. If the chicken become a zombie pigman too. So let's hit it. Wow. Hit it. Wow, hit it. So let's see. Chicken become a zombie pigman. That's so nice. Wow. Wow. Don't hit me. Oh, I died. Bye. Shit. Still that. So this the mode. So this time a double video that I show you. So I show you the dog ghost. Okay, first you're gonna this and spawn wolf and always be tame. So let's tame it. Tame. Come on, baby. Okay. So let's take a seat. So we're gonna have and minecart. So push it to the rail. Push. Sorry. Sorry. So oh. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, let's see this. So full. Wait, we're gonna sit there and take a ghost. So that's the glitch. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe it my channel and just leave some likes and comments.